Okay, so yeah, we'll be creating a blog. So and let's just check what a blog. This is what a blog is. A blog is a regular updated website or web page, typically run by an individual or what a small group. So you update your blog by posting on it and wherever I want to post on it. Let me give an example of blog post. Search digital concept A to this. This is an example of a blog post. So you can I'll also drop the link up to this so you can like just come to like come and check it out. Now we'll be learning how to create a blog post. Basic. So is it? So let's sign in. Then follow the due processes. So, so after following the due processes, um you get to this place. You don't actually need this. European Union laws require so you can just read this when you get there. Now we want to create a name for our blog that is the title. Let's call it Josh YouTube Training. Now we have to pick an address for it. So and that address should be one that no one has used yet. So YouTube, just check Josh YouTube. Taken already, Josh YouTube training. Okay, so good next. Now the display name, YouTube training, and finish. So we get to our dashboard for the Josh YouTube training. You can actually view your blog. Let's see. Let's see. Because we've not actually posted anything or done anything on it. So when you get here, this is your dashboard. When it comes to post is where you see all the posts you've posted on your blog. You have statistics. Statistics is just about how well your blog post has been doing. For instance, this is one of my blog posts, like blog account. I posted a few days ago. So let me just show you the statistics. This is the post now. Like the post I've posted on my blog post. Then for statistics, you can see your statistics for the month, last month. You can even view a graphical view of it. You can even check more about it. Let's proceed back to what we're doing. So comment is where you store the overall comments that people have made on your blog. Earnings, this is where you make money from your blog. That's where people place advert. Are you getting me? Where people place advert, but we're not going to be touching that here now. So pages and layout, these are things you want to add to your blog post. You have theme. You can choose the theme you want. This, depending on whatever you are doing. I get me. So now let me just pick this. I like this. Let's pick this. Click on apply. Good. Then settings is to like if you don't like what you've written before. The title you can change it. There were description too and the rest. These are further settings I can just research which I'll not be talking about right here now. Okay, so now then we have the reading list. That's like if you want to read up on people's blog. Then this is to view your blog. Now let's post our first blog post. Let's just I don't really have one now, but let's give it a ChatGPT. Let's just get to Gemini. Yes, Gemini will be faster. Okay, so I got a blog post that we can just use and make sure you like kind of stick to a particular one, like a particular clip that people know what you're actually doing. So, but I just pick the random topic so we can just move on and paste it here. I can edit if I want to edit. So we have different editing formats here. I have the undo, redo. This is font type. Want to give fonts that you want, maybe Vagina or whatever you want to use. You see the reference. Okay, so let's continue. We have font size too. We have paragraphs. You can set bold, you can set italics, you can set underline, you can have strike through. This is for text color. Like you can give this one for instance, you can give this one white, then with it. You can also have text background color of black. You can also drop link too. Let me just this is text that will display. I can just put google.com. This is asking if you open it in a new window or just in that same window. I can check it if I want it to be in that same window. So we have if you want to insert image, you can upload from your computer and you can also make use of bloggers already set images. Okay. Then you can also draw videos too. You can make use of emojis. Then this is your alignings, left align, center align, and the rest. So for instance, we want to place this at the center. And we have increase indent. For instance, I can just increase the indent of the part and decrease. Same is for bullet, same is numbered, and same is for quote text. Maybe for instance, quote particular text. Then this is for insert jump break at this line here. Then we publish it. Now we already have our first blog post. Now let's go refresh and see it reflect. So you can see it. We're having our first blog post and you can read more. Cool. So maybe in some other videos I can create more about other things too, but these are just the basic you need to know. If you have any question, you can place them in the comment section. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. That's just the only way to motivate me. Thanks. Bye.